Hello guys, welcome back. Today's project is this Fendi slippers, or not slippers, maybe it's a sandals, whatever it is, it's for the summer wear. So we need to remove these cuffs. This is mahogany or wine or red oxide color. I'm not familiar with the color names. I will match the color, but I don't know how these colors are named. I'm gonna use for the filler. I'm gonna sand it. Yes, I'm just gonna sand it and fill it with light fillers, so the surface is going to be smooth. I'm gonna use my cleaner for the clean. Ranga and other stuff I cannot tell you now for what stuff I'm going to use, but I will show you. There's not much secret, so just do it as you wish. You can use whatever you can. It can be Angelus, Tarraga, Feebings, and something, and whatever you have. Every water-based colors are good. So let's get started. Okay, first of all I need to clean That's my own cleaner. I'm doing myself, and it works great with every surface. So it can be applied on the leather, suede, nubuck, patent leather, handling leather, such as fabric and textile shoes or bags. This is a dirt from the buckle, some kind of oxidation or something, I don't know. So now while it dries, now I'm gonna match the color, and we'll start to restore the surface. It's still is in a bad shape. So let's check the colors. So I'm gonna use this is RAL K7 Classic catalog of the base colors maybe. So for this slippers, for this sole, insole, midsole, this color is okay. I'm gonna make it as a base. It's RAL 3009 oxydrad, and I will match the color after I will do the base. This color is going to be my base, and after I will get the base, I will look if it's okay or I need to color it more to match the color as much as I can. So I'm gonna start it. I have the application on Android made by Ranga company, and they has all the formulas for RAL K7 Classic. So that's my formula. It's going to be for the 30 grams of the product. I will need red 7 grams, red oxide 17, black 272, and white 3.13. So I'm gonna do this. This is the... What is this? I don't know how this tool is called. So you know what I mean. And I'll be right back. Well, okay, I need to sand it, all these scuffs. This is 600 grit, and this is a fine sandpaper. I just sand, and then I will apply some binding stuff. Oh! Hold on. For all lazy people, sanding with this. This is a deep, deep. It's a big damaged piece of insole. So I'm gonna apply a thin coat, not thin, thick. I mean, a lot of. I always mix those words. Thick, thin. Damn it, I can't remember which one is for thickness or thinness. Bleh. I just can't remember it. This was a super glue, and this is an accelerator for super glues. So just let it dry much quicker, just for seconds. Now I'm gonna apply a few coats of the liquid that makes leather strong again. It is used for the heavily worn leather. It makes it strong again. It's strengthening. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. It's straightening. Okay. It makes old leather strong as new. So just applying when and the sanding at the same time. Sanding and applying is it is for better result, because there will be less sanding after that. I will need just to check out if it's okay and where I need to sand more. So now I'm gonna wait until it dries and repeat if necessary. So let's wait. I'll be right back. I need to remove the extra primer, not primer, but that liquid that I used to make the leather stronger again. So I need to flat it with the solvent. I don't know how to explain. This is a solvent cleaner for the leather, and it works great with that liquid for making leather strong again. Okay, I'm gonna use this Sapphire Jivaqueer number 8 Bordeaux. I'm gonna use it because I want to see is it flat or I need more sanding, because this will help me to see is it going okay or I need more sanding and repeating of the restoration operations. I'm just taking the finger and applying it. A quick dry. And then light sanding. I see that this place I need to sand more. You can see this on the camera, but my eyes can see this. This area should be sanded too. And yes, it's done, it's okay. Okay, now I'm gonna cover all that parts that I don't want to be painted, and we'll turn to you. So I have everything masked, this masking tape. Now I'm ready for the paint job. This is an isopropyl alcohol. It's clear, and I use it for degreasing the surface before starting the painting. Oh well, let me explain what has happened. I wanted to help alcohol evaporate faster, so I use my air gun to let it evaporate. But it has spilled some few drops of water in here, and that's why I had to redo this. Now I'm gonna let it dry, just like it is. Okay, while it dries, I need to check my spray gun. This is a cheap spray gun. This is a HVLP system. It has the 0.7 millimeters nozzle, and its name is H2000. It works great for me. For leather works, it's okay. Maybe for body car paints it's not okay, but for leather painting it's okay. So let's get started with the painting. I think it's too much of material. I need to lower the material feed and the air pressure. So now it's already painted. I gotta wait for a few minutes while it dry, and then I will apply this is Vernis ADHR matte. It's a middle matte, top coat for the leather. It's already in my bigger spray gun. This spray gun I use only for the top coat, exactly for this one. This is solvent based. The spray gun is a cheap, and it has a nozzle 1.4 millimeters. Okay, it's almost done. I need to wait while it evaporates and cover with the second layer. Then I will unpack all that masking tape, and that's all, and the job will be done. I'll be right back when I will finish this. By the way, I forgot to say, those straps were torn, and I had to make the patch here, here, same here, before I start the restoration of that area. So the job is done. I've spent about 3 hours for this job, and now it's good as it was new. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and see you again. Goodbye.